Okay, so you guys, guess what? I'm uploading a video right now. It's my motorcycle, excuse me, my motorcycle haul. And at the end, I talk about my GoPro that I have bought off a marketplace. Just watch the video. But anyway, guess what this man, my husband, just did? I'm not going to show you him right now because he's eating. He ain't going to want to get on right now. So anyway, he walks in the house and he was like, here you go, and hands me a bag, and he was like, happy early anniversary. And I'm like, okay, so what is this? He came in here with this, y'all. I'm so geeked. I'm so excited. So now I finally can give you guys real footage. I actually have a real GoPro. I can mount it on my helmet with no problem. I'm gonna go ahead and open that up. I'll do a review on this later on, not now. Let me get familiarized with it, and you guys should get something within this week. All right, so stay tuned to that, but make sure you check out the video that's being uploaded. That's uploaded now. I'm sure it's gonna be uploaded before this, obviously. So anyway, talk to you guys soon. Bye.